Right, good morning. We're going to have a look at the OI sound today. There are two different ways of spelling it, but the one we're going to look at today is spelled like this. O, and then an I. OI. It has its own action. When you're calling somebody, you might say, Oi, Oi. So that's the action that you do. And the song is about sailors sailing, and they see another ship and they shout oi to each other, and then they say ship ahoy, which is something that you say at sea. So the song goes like this. The sailors met upon the sea, oi, 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 they found some oil way down deep, oi, oi, ship ahoy. Do you want to sing that with me this time? Ready? The sailors met upon the sea, oi, 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 they found some oil way down deep, oi, oi, ship ahoy! Have a doozy. Right, so I had a look around. Let's see what things we can find that begin with oi. Well, that have the oi sound in them. The very first thing does begin with oi because it's oil, and you probably have some oil in your house. Can I have some oil, please? Here we go, bottle of oil. How do you think we're going to write that? Starts with the oi sound, so we have oi. There's our oi sound, and then oil. Can you hear that sound at the end? Oil. There's our word, oil. Fantastic. Right, so something else that you might have in your kitchen is foil. You might call it aluminium foil. It's this shiny stuff that you put on top of food when you're putting it in the oven. And foil has an oi sound in the middle of it. Oh, stop rolling. Here we go. Foil. So it starts with a f. Then it has an oi in the middle. Oi. For oil. It has an on the end. Foil. Well done. Foil. Fantastic. Right, the next one we're going to do is a little bit trickier. It's coil. Now a coil is when something goes round and round and round, a bit like a snake. Or what I have in my house, I don't have a snake, I have a long rope and it's coiled round and round and round. We call that a coil. So we say it's k, 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 and it's curly k, so it's k. Oi, oil. Coil. Can you hear that oi sound in the middle? Coil. Fantastic. Right, now, the next thing you probably don't touch, but mummies and daddies do. When you want to make a cup of tea, you might want to boil your kettle. Can you hear the oi sound in it? Boil. Here's my kettle. Boil. So let's have a go at writing boil, shall we? Can you hear what it starts with? Oi, there's the oi sound in the middle. But oi. But oil. And it has a on the end again, like coil and foil and oil. Boil. Fantastic. Right, our next one doesn't have a in it anywhere. I wonder what it's going to be. Well, here's my purse. Purse doesn't have an oi in it, does it? I can't hear an oi. But what's inside my purse? A coin. Coin. Well done. Coin starts with a k, k, k again. K, 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 k. Then we have the oi sound, oi, oi, there it is. And then coin, can you hear the n on the end? Coin, coin. Fantastic. Right, now, those are these ones. This is a little bit of a fun one. In my house, lots of children like to play with Star Wars toys. Can't even say that. Star Wars toys. And this is one of their favourite toys. This is a droid. Have you seen one like this before? A droid. Ooh, I don't want it to go anywhere. Droid. So can you hear the oi in the middle? Droid. droid. D. Can you hear? Droid. So now we have the oi. Droid. 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 Fantastic. That was a tricky one, wasn't it? Droid. That might be a fun one for you to draw. Right. I have one object left to show you, and it's a bit of a puzzling one. I wonder if you'll be able to guess what word it is. So here I have a parcel or a box. What oi sound can you think of? If you were thinking of your maths words, that's a bit of a clue. It's a 3D shape. What 3D shape would this box be? If you said cube, you were wrong. That doesn't have an oi in it. If you said sphere, you were definitely wrong. That doesn't have an oi in it, and it's not like a ball shape either, is it, my parcel? It's a cuboid. Cuboid. So we're going to have Q at the beginning, and it's not spelt with a Q. It's spelt with a curly cut and a Q. Then we want boid, which we can do easily. B, oi, cuboid, cuboid. Fantastic. Super writing, cuboid. That's all our oi shapes for today. I'm going to point at you. Can you hear the point? Did you hear that? Shall we write that down before we go? Point. Oi. Point. I'm going to point at you and say, can you find any oi things around your house? Let me know if you do. Bye.